Hey guys, JD here, and today we're going to be installing this PWC SuperRack onto my Yamaha FX SVHO. So here's the PWC SuperRack. It's marine grade aluminum, powder coated, really nice welds. This is made here in Florida in the United States. And they are a little bit expensive, but you get what you pay for in quality. So installing the rack is extremely easy. You can see that these pieces fit exactly over your rub rail. They're padded so they won't damage anything. And then you have these two stainless steel 5/16 turnbuckles here. And then this linkage that we're going to attach to your ski loop, your toe loop on the rear of the Watercraft. So if you look at the hardware here, it's threaded on one side and it's not on the other. And then of course you have this pin. So the easiest way to put this in is with the threads on the bottom like this. You're going to turn it on an angle. That's going to give you enough room to get that key in. And then we are going to tighten this by hand, and then I'm going to give it a turn with the pliers as well. So the key is to turn these evenly until you get enough tension on them to hold the rack in place. And you just want to check, make sure everything's tight. We're going to go ahead and tighten up these wing nuts. Once everything is tightened and these wing nuts are tightened by hand, you can take a pliers or an adjustable wrench and give them a small turn just to make sure that they are cinched securely. Do not over tighten. And there we go. So this fitting that we installed earlier, you're just going to take your wrench and we are going to tighten that up. All right, so here is a look at the installed rack. I also want to show you that these racks have a variety of pre-drilled holes. This can accommodate rotopacks or some of the many accessories that PWC SuperRacks sells for these racks, like rod holders, cup holders, and umbrella holders. And I'll give you a look at the profile there. So you can see it does rest against the deck right here. So I'll see if that is going to be a problem or not, but I don't anticipate it will be. And the rack does feel really sturdy and secure. And I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So this rack is actually called their low profile sport model, and it works great for two 5-gallon short cans or a short can and a small soft-sided cooler like you see here. I also have a 7.5 quart cooler that fits in here perfectly. So I took the ski offshore, went through some nasty chop actually, and the rack held up great. In my opinion, the biggest benefit of having a PWC SuperRack is its fuel carrying capacity. With this particular rack, I can carry two 5-gallon short cans, giving me about 37.8 extra miles of range.
Well, as you guys see, I did take this out in the ocean. I've got the one fuel jug and then I've got a small soft cooler. So let's see how easy it is to climb on the ski with the rack here. Wasn't too bad.
So the only downside of the rack is because of the way it mounts, you will have to disconnect this hardware from the ski in order to access your flush port, which, as you know, you'll need to access after every ride. So after a ride, does this leave any type of marking on the ski? Let's take a look. All right, so we've got the rack off. Now let's take a look. No damage. No damage or anything. So I bashed the rack around a little bit today and it held up really well as expected. All right, so in terms of post-ride care, this is marine grade aluminum. It is powder coated and it does have stainless steel hardware. Even then, you still want to make sure that you remove this from the jet ski and adequately rinse it with fresh water following every use in salt water. Once you've washed and rinsed the rack, right now I'm going to set it out here in the sun to dry before I put it away. Also, even with stainless steel, as with all metals that are used in a saltwater environment, I like to use a product like this, Lear Corrosion Block, to treat my metal components during storage. If you're looking for a high quality made in USA rack for your Yamaha, Kawasaki, or Sea-Doo personal watercraft, visit PWC SuperRack online at pwcsuperrack.com. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.